Today I'm going to show you how to create bins inside Premiere Pro. The first thing I'm going to get you to do is to change your workspace layout. To do this, if you just go to this little icon where there's a blue circle in the top right, if you click there, you can change it to Assembly Layout. This gives you a lot more space to start organizing things and creating bins. So click Import Media. We're going to put in some footage. And here you can see all of our footage is in the project panel and it's all quite messy and unorganized. So to create a bin, you're either going to come down to the little folder button here where it says New Bin, or you right click and go New Bin. You can then rename this whatever you like. I'll call mine Outside Footage. And you can start dragging your clips inside this bin. So think of a bin like a folder. So you can put things inside it. You can make bins inside other bins as well. So if I create another bin here, and I call this Inside Footage, I'll drag this footage inside this one. All of a sudden, my very messy project panel is actually quite neat and tidy. If I double click on a bin, I go inside it, and I can just create another bin just like so. You can do as many of these as you want to start organizing things. I hope that helps. See you in the next one.